Nike keeps marathoners engaged with the upcoming Alphafly 3 Obsidian, a high-performance running shoe engineered for long-distance dominance. Weighing only 218 grams with an 8mm heel-to-toe drop, it delivers speed, efficiency, and comfort. Its Atomknit 3.0 upper comes in rich obsidian, accented by a clean white swoosh, while the midsole blends denim turquoise up front and a Persian violet gradient at the heel. The brand's iconic volt appears boldly on the Air Zoom cushioning and insoles, giving it a striking finish. Although speculation suggests a successor could debut in 2026, Nike sustains excitement by unveiling seasonal colorways like this one. With no confirmed release date yet, the Obsidian Alphafly 3 continues to build anticipation among runners worldwide, cementing its place as a record-breaking super shoe that combines bold style with marathon-ready innovation.